Over the years and through my career as a sommelier, it was always a dream to come to Bordeaux and produce from where it all started. The vineyard sites that we work with here are just phenomenal quality with soils that really capture the essence of each commune that we produce in, and it offers a completely different profile for Cabernet Sauvignon. The whole goal of Component is to give you a deeper experience with wine. We want to carry the experience of standing here in the cellar to the customer in their home. We want them to bring a piece of the place with them in their kitchen when they open the box and they pull our wine. When they pour their wine for their friends, we want it to be a gift, a generous bit of knowledge that really extends what we do here in person to what you enjoy with your friends. What we hope is that you come to a further understanding of place, of varietal, of composition, and go back to the blend with an appreciation of the artistry for which those wines were made. What Korrvu allows us to do is, within one box, take a journey to Bordeaux, take a journey to Napa Valley, to experience what we do here in Bordeaux and what we do there in Napa. Korrvu is the first opportunity we've had to really take someone out of the place that they're in and transport them to our winery. Korrvu allows you to send your customer something unexpected, something completely unique, something that gives them joy to open, something that they hopefully will keep in their cellar.